the happy Melanie say she almost lost her passport.
Good morning. We have extended our accommodation here in Railay so that we can do a few more things today. We actually had to move rooms because we chose to get a cheaper room. So this is just the standard room, about $100 per night. So it comes with 2 beds, a small TV, this little area and the bathroom in there. Compared to the other place was about $200 a night. This is what it looks like from the outside. You got a sitting area. Today we're just going to go to the lagoon and see some caves, maybe go to the beach. So the lagoon is actually quite a hard-ish hike. We were looking at Google Maps and the reviews on Google Maps. It looks like you need to be reasonably fit to be able to do that and climb a few rocks, going really steep hills. They do have ropes, so we're just gonna go there and see if we're able to do it. Maybe just attempt it, and then if not, we'll just stop and go back, and they have a viewpoint there instead. It's gonna be our day today. We're gonna try the Railay viewpoint first.
If we go cave exploring, so that'll be pretty cool. So that's stupidly high. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that today.
But we walked past the, what is it called?
Cliff of Death.
Yeah, we walked past the cliff you have to climb up to get to the lagoon, and we're just like, that is very high up.
I'm just chilling. These stairs could be a little less dodge. How dodgy are these stairs?
Sound like there's bats in here. I thought it was pretty cool because I've never seen a cave before. Entry fee is quite pricey for $8. We're going to Diamond Cave Bar, which is right in front of our resort, but we could never get there because you got to go all the way around. So what'd you get?
Just a bunch of Red Bulls so I can wake up.
I got a frozen rum sour, 180 baht. Our resort is right there. We're staying like over there. But yeah, this place is always pumping music. We can hear it from our hotel room. This is the frozen rum sour. That's sour.
Watching people rock climb.
Just stopped at this resort, which is actually close to our resort in Diamond Cave, and it's called Railay Phutawan Resort. And we just went for a swim in the pool and got some cocktails. This is a strawberry daiquiri and a mango daiquiri. Currently happy hour, so 2 for 300 baht. This is the resort. It looks really nice, like It's actually just a 2-star resort, 2-star hotel, so I'm curious what the prices are here. The mountains and everything looks so nice. We could actually see the rock climbing happening just there.
Even with the tree you can still see there.
And you've also got the ocean just over there as well, so you got the view of this cliff behind this tree. Those mountains.
We'll definitely check the road out.
Our next plan is to go to Tonsai Beach, but everyone's saying it's an hour walk, which is a bit far.
You can do it along the beach, through the rocks.
So let's actually check how much it is to stay here, because I'm quite curious
Went
actually.
from activity day to like a full chill day.
Railay Phutawan Resort. It says here 2,700 per night, about 100 something. So it's like similar to the one we're staying at. It's definitely a longer walk. So if you're coming with luggage, it's a bit of a mission.
They got a car.
But yeah, they got little buggies. So we actually saw the buggy come down past Diamond Cave, and we basically walked the whole island already. Well, is this really an island? I don't know what you call this.
Cove.
A cove.
No, not even a cove. I don't know. It's just the tip of an island.
Yeah, like once you're in Railay, you're stuck here. It's nice. It's got the nicest scenery that I've seen yet, with all the cliffs. Very hippie vibe kind of place. A lot of weed shops and mushy shops. It's very nice and chill. I like it. And we're leaving tomorrow. We're going to... We don't know yet, but we'll find out soon. That was so cute.
No, up there. It's like 4 or 5.
That was so cool.
That's 2 big
so
ones.
many monkeys come. We stopped here for dinner. We got a nice sunset. That's the Penang curry. Yeah, Penang curry. This is the cashew chicken stir fry. And the bruschetta, which looks like pizza. Go on. Here at Railay, and we just spent the day at the beach. We checked out that cave over there. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna try and swim to that little area over there, because now that it's low tide, should be able to swim across to get there. Might be walking distance, but maybe I have to swim. I mean, I can still touch the ground with my feet. It's very low tide, but it is a little bit rocky. Phil's at the beach looking after our stuff. I mean, if we had a wet bag, we would both be able to come across. put this here? Oh, yeah, I think they did. There's heaps of these rocks that are just like stacked up. That's cool. It's kind of like a cave, like a little bit of a beach cove area. See, everyone's just walking across. I think I'm gonna swim back to the beach now where Phil is. Return back to our stuff. Maybe it's just the other side of the cave. I think if we weren't carrying all this stuff, then we might have tried. It's our last day here in Railay. We're just going to have some food and chill out a little. Last night we went out for dinner and some drinks. We watched the English Premier League on TV and we had a really good time. The highlight was coming across this little dog who we named Daisy. We just gave her some food. Later in the evening, she guided us home back to our resort and she protected us from a snake that we saw. We saw this little skinny snake. We're going to find our dog, Daisy. We might see Daisy on our walk today. And if we do see her, we're going to go buy some food, some chicken and rice and give it to her. There's so many dogs. Actually, there's not many dogs here. It's mostly cats. There's a lot of cats here, but the cats here are well taken care of. Like, a lot of the owners of the shops have cats.
They have cat beds.
Yeah, they even have like cat beds out the front. We saw the other night when one of the weed shops that the owner brings out the pet bowl and the cat bed, and the cat just sleeps there at night. It's another nice day. Yeah, they do have the fire show at 9 p.m, so we might check that out. We always come to this place. Well, actually, it's only our second time here. Sea and Sun restaurant, because it's got like the nicest view. I'm thinking of getting the pineapple smoothie. So about 100 baht for the juices and smoothies.
Beers? What a surprise.
Look at the food choices they've got. They've got this, they have a lot on this menu actually. That's what Phil had the other day, the chicken baguette. Burgers, sandwiches, they even have like Thai food too. Thai soups, stir fry. Okay, let's run through the food that we got. Tuna sandwich, comes with chips.
A little bit basic Western today.
I got a pineapple smoothie, chicken pad thai, some cheesy garlic bread,
Mango smoothie and
apple juice. This is like 150 baht and this is like 200 maybe. And then the drinks are 100 baht each.
Should order Thai food, but I'm feeling a little bit Western today.
Well, the thing is, this place has so many options, so we got a mix of all of them. This view is like...
It's crazy the difference between that now and in 2 hours.
Yeah, once it goes low tide, the view is just not great. Let's go baby. ended up being one of our favorite places that we've stayed at actually. And next we're heading over to Koh Yanoi.
It's a happy Melanie today. She almost lost her passport.
We found it.
What do you even do if you lose your passport? Just go to the embassy.
We are on the pier waiting for our boat. It's going to take a 40-minute boat ride. We're going from Railay to Koh Yanoi, and it was 750 baht each for, it's kind of like a speedboat. Yeah, we're just waiting for the boat now. With our bags, we've got the ribbons on there.